Santina with WTI. If you're looking for a great phone at a great price, I would like to introduce you to this iPhone XS. So there's a few features that I really like. One is the size. I can use this phone with one hand, which for me is a very important feature. I like that it's the right size to be able to put it in a pocket or in a small purse, and I don't have to worry about it being too big and bulky. I also love the storage size. So this is a 512 gigabytes. There's so much room for pictures. This phone has thousands and thousands of pictures on it. So if you like to store your photos or your documents or whatever information you have on the phone, this is a great size to be able to do that. And of course, there's Face ID. So everyone is worried about security right now. We want to keep ourselves and all our electronics safe. And I like that this has that layer of security with the Face ID. So overall, great phone. I hope that you're gonna like it as well. And that's my point of view.